Boom. Let's talk about Amazon Video. So here are the video guidelines. Let's dig into it. All right, so the first thing is that you have to own all of the content that you're going to be using. So you don't want to use any copyrighted images, nobody else's trademark, or anything that is trademarked. So just stay away from all of that. Just make sure that you have the rights to whatever you're using. Logos from brands or organizations. So basically, don't mention your competitors is what that is saying. And then don't try to show something that looks like an Amazon detail page, or don't even show the detail page of your Amazon listing. This is just going to be about your product and what its use cases are, informing those people. Now we have an interview in a little bit showing the best practices, but these are the main things to look out for. Don't have any reviews or third-party content. So right here, obviously, just don't highlight any customer reviews or anything in it, like, an article or anything else. This is just about the product, not what other people have to say. Now, high-quality, unique content. Basically, don't put anything that looks like crap, okay? No blurry images or low quality. Basically, don't show lifestyle images that aren't it. So they don't want just people, like, you'll probably see in all these drug commercials where there's people walking on the beach and all this stuff. Like, no, your product should be in it, and it should be talking about your product. Don't just duplicate what you have on your listing. So it's not just a way to show your images in a video format. They want this to be unique and different than is your product detail page. And then obviously spell everything correctly, and don't use all caps and just really scammy like blinky text or anything like that. Just be smart with your text. Don't do anything scammy basically there. Now follow the Amazon product policies. I mean, basically it's still the same rules. It's not like video is a free game here. So don't mention products being used for criminal activity, but you can't have criminal things anyways. Or don't say, hey, well, you could also use this to break the law. Like, this knife could also be used to kill somebody. That, don't talk about anything like that. Obviously you still have to follow the category requirements. Additionally here, obviously don't say best-selling, on sale, and don't talk about anything time sensitive or about the product. Now this right here is going to be a change, because you can talk about your warranty in the product description, but you are not allowed to do it in video. So they don't want you making any claims like, this is the best one and we guarantee that it'll work for life, blah blah blah. So don't mention any guarantees, just the product itself. Don't talk about your competitors here. Don't talk about your company being the one that, like, this is only authorized if you purchase it from this person, because the Amazon listings in general are a piece of property on Amazon. Anybody can technically sell on them if they have the rights to sell on it. So don't mention anything about any companies, just talk about the product. And then obviously you can't divert people, so don't put your website on there or anything. Even, especially don't talk about, yeah, and you get a warranty as long as you register on this website. Don't say that. But overall, you should be pretty good. In upcoming videos, we're going to be talking with Eric from Virtuous Graphics about the best practices. We asked him about these guidelines for Amazon Video, and his main highlight was that Amazon really enforces the URL. Now, in here, there's always rules that are, the hard set rules, and then what they actually enforce. They are really enforcing the URL guidelines, but some of them are a little bit looser. Obviously, you have to be really careful with following Amazon policies. Don't do anything that's against their main terms of service. But he did say that you can use your logo in the beginning and the end just as a fade in, fade out, and you'll see that in the best practices. So that's one of the more gray areas that they seem to accept. So if you guys are interested, go check out the video best practices and examples. That's a great video, and you get to see some videos that have worked really well and some videos that they've made, and learn how to crush it with Amazon Video and if it's right for you. So hope you guys enjoyed that video.